I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 15:15, somewhere over there. So, people over here must be thinking that I'm still chasing criminals even after this, the clearance. I'll give you the real answer. If you don't want to get chased, chase them. Those are the real bastards. You will be unaware they are destroying your life behind your back. What did I give you? A good, what do you call it? I didn't give you, but what do I feel for you people over here? That you should have a good career. You should have a, what do you call it? Bright, shine bright. What will they try to do? They'll try to snatch and steal everything. There is a difference. These are the people, the West people, who tried to create the race riots, and somehow I managed. Ask everyone and everyone around you if any wrong decision made by me, there would have been riots. A very slow thing. And I have to be with someone. I cannot. What do you call it? Look, 10 years back, when the event happened in my life, I fucked more than before. So, I don't go in depression, I work on it. So, I have to be with someone, so it's not supposed to be from this country, right? Getting this well? Because it will again create a race thing. Getting this well? You can try to get this well. This is, what do you call it? The game has reached at a level that my single, what do you call it? Sympathy to anyone, my single goodness to anyone, it will create into that he supports that race. But I give it clearly that I am equal to everyone because I don't want environment to be destroyed. And those West people who make nudes, those are the people who destroyed the environment. And that's for your safety, which I did. That if you work and I want, look, I'm giving it to you just not to make money. Clearance is there not to make money, make your career. I think this bad. Live your dreams. Live your dreams means not make money. You can do job anywhere. What did I say? Live your dreams. I don't want to break your dreams. So people must have felt bad why he is still chasing those criminals. Look, if I won't chase, they'll chase you. That's how the game is. You do your thing, na? I'm there. क्या tension है? And I am giving the clearance. You get prepared for movie making, hit on productions. Huh? Failure तो failure, but you tried. एक दिन से प्रोडक्शन में चक्कर मार के जाके आने को क्या होता है? बस एक दिन अगर हो गया तो सच में काम तो हो गया, सबका जैकपॉट है फिर. But the one who sold files from the clone, they are going to stop you. This territory people. So I have to manage that too, right? I have to manage that too, and even I have to manage that should be no race thing, and also I have to manage that. What do you call it? No one should any legal harm should not come. That also I manage. What more could look? This is not less. You have no idea. The stuff which what do you call it? It's not because what do you call it? I'm gonna exit into enter into some other country. So so that uh, there should be no more further troubles, future troubles. So these people here can say we don't know him. He just gave it away. The viral thing was happening to him everywhere. So he gave the clearance because he did what do you call it? You can tell away. I'll tell away that I want the people who are decent. I want them to have it. Those West people don't deserve this. They started it. They tried creating race riots in the entire Mumbai. It's a big thing. My one single decision would have created troubles in the entire state. I thought a lot. Maybe I gave 1,000 thoughts before making this decision. Trust me on this. I gave 1,000 thoughts. बनाए नहीं बनाए, लेकिन मैं ऐसा भड़काऊ भाषण नहीं किया, वो भड़काऊ डिसीजन नहीं लिया. भाषण क्या, डिसीजन, दिस इज डिसीजन मेकिंग. भड़काऊ डिसीजन नहीं लिया मैं कि कोई भड़क जाए या कुछ हो जाए. मैंने वैसा डिसीजन नहीं लिया. एंड इफ दे ट्राई टू व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, स्टॉप or they do something or what do you call it, create problems, directly go with the nudes. Nudes must be everywhere. Directly go with the nudes. File in court. Go to police station. Go till the court. Look, those nude makers, they made nude of me, sold the data from the clone, and now they are troubling decent people. Immediately do this. Clearance, I am giving the clearance. The boy gave us the clearance. This thing was happening to me wherever I went. Imagine KP, it would have happened. Then those are all my league people. Huh? How bad I would have felt. Those are very, what do you call it, decent people. East knows the story. Chembur East knows the entire story. It's all about snatching from me. It was all about snatching from me. So anyone thinks I'm still chasing criminal. I am not chasing criminal. I am putting a barrier so no one should chase these people. These people can do. Look, if they don't want to do, don't do. Clearance is there. Any trouble comes, you can get the clearance if you want to work. If you don't. No one is forcing anyone. The Dell damage thing happened. Portable data got deleted here. That's why I have to, what do you call it? Give a clearance that, okay, these guys want to work, let them work. At least these guys maintain decency. Those West people were doing pregnancy and all those message planting. क्या क्या कि मेरी बेटी को क्या डाला, what all stuff there. Even if I used to piss, there was a window in front of my toilet. They were shouting, record kar. This was the scene over there. At least over here it's not happening. Decent people are there. Let them have it. वहाँ पे भी मेरे को बोला रहता ये सब किए बिना. मैं क्या मना करता था क्या? उन्होंने अलग रास्ता चुना तो मेरे को अलग रास्ते से उनको जवाब देना पड़ा. I have to expose their thing then. So बस हो गया ना. और वैसे भी बॉलीवुड, तुमको क्या लगता है इफ नया एंट्रेंस गया कोई बॉलीवुड में कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं मालूम है? करेंगे मालूम है? यार छोटे इधर आ जा, चाय ले गया, जा ये कर, मसाज कर, चल. समझा? जो झेलता है वही क्या बोलता है, वो खेलता है. जो झेलेगा वही खेलेगा बॉलीवुड में. झेलने मिलने का नहीं. बिंदास, यू हैव योर कंटेंट. Walk like a king inside any production. Production denies, come out like a king, not as a loser. Bad luck will be that production's bad luck. That they lost lot of big chunk of money and big artists. Always feel this way, think this way. Huh? Do don't take me bad that I am chasing criminals and the nude makers. These are the one who spoil other people's career. Imagine the career is your career is made and they come after you then. So it's very important to put a grip on them. Like if they try to clone data thing, if they produce something and they stop you from working on the same content, so you have to do this immediately. If you don't want to work, then no worries. Don't work. Why I will stop working? So as I said, after 2014, the event, I fucked more than before. So after this event, I'll work more than before. They want me to, what do you call it, get retired in mid 30s, and they started troubling me from 30s, and I met my ex in 20s, the girl from Dubai. Somewhere I must be 29 or 30 somewhere. So they want to do this. They want me to get retired. Why? My face is smashed. Even if I live for, what do you call it, 200 years, I'll be working. I'll be fucking somewhere. Yeah. So from 5 years I've been suffering these troubles. The first it was the troubles. 2022 it got exposed. Why were the troubles for? It was a very slow poison to me and my family. You want this to your family? No, right? I alerted everyone. I gave the right thing, what it is. Petition also hold those events. They thought aging me means caging me. What nonsense is this? Wasting my time means what do you call it? They'll test my life. Waste my time and they'll test my life. Go and taste your own crap. The prostitution is exposed. One fucking night I got the clearance. I said money don't come. I don't go after money. I work. I only keep on working. I exposed that night. Immediately I got the clearance. Immediately. English word. As I said, I am a piece of work. I said I am a piece of work. And I write what I do. Now everything got the confirmation that what I write, what I do, streets, affair. Hearing this bad?